In this video, I'll show you how to update your emojis on an Android phone. There's two ways you can do this, both are pretty quick, pretty straightforward. So the first way is simply go to your settings and look for any software update. If there's an update, great, update it, and that should update any emojis if there was any available. The next way is to come out, go into the Play Store, search for the keyboard that you use when you're text messaging. I use Gboard, which is the default one. As you can see, it says it's installed and there's currently no update, so my emojis are up to date. If an update button appears on yours, press that. Then if there is any available emoji updates, once the update's done on your keyboard, the new emojis will be there. And that's how you update emojis on an Android phone.